Cosmetic pigments are coloring agents used in makeup products such as nail polish, lipstick, eyeshadow, lip gloss, soap, and other cosmetics. These pigments are quite expensive and not easily available in local markets. Today, I will show you that these pigments can be made at home in an easy and fun way using easily available ingredients at home. So let's get started. First, take a 1 teaspoon of ready-made aloe vera gel in a bowl, then add 1 teaspoon of food color and mix well. This food color is easily available in supermarkets for 5 to 10 rupees. When you're done mixing, add 2 to 3 drops of any facial oil that you have. I am adding almond oil. Now add 1 tablespoon of baby powder or starch and